Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another skating video, and today we're going to be dealing with a little bit more difficult turns, our rockers. So I'm going to be sharing some tips and exercises that really help with your rockers and help you make them stronger and even achieve them if you're just starting out. So if you're ready, let's get to that first tip. So we're going to be dealing with inside and outside rockers. This first exercise is a very sharp inside edge. So I'm bringing my leg and my foot close to my standing leg, and I'm really bending it and really trying to make this edge or the curve very, very sharp. It's a very quick movement. My shoulders and my arms are staying with my hips at the moment, and I'm just going side to side, simple as that. I'm making sure that my weight is over my knees, and I'm making sure that I'm having a nice knee bend here. Knee bend is a very important aspect to learning rockers. Then we're going to do the same thing going back, but my free leg is going to be stretching slightly in front of me, and the other leg is going to be bending as I did on the forward one. So your standing leg is always bending nice and deeply, creating that nice sharp edge or curve, and trying to bend as much as you can. Arms and shoulders are staying with the hips, and always make sure you're looking back when you're doing this. Now, as easy as this looks, it's quite challenging, so don't worry if it takes you a while to learn this. And same thing going outside. I'm making a nice sharp, very curvy edge, and my free leg is going directly to my standing leg, bending. I'm bending deeply in my standing knee, and my arms and shoulders are following my hips. So don't worry if this doesn't go at first. It's quite an awkward movement, but it's going to get you that nice curve, nice clean edge that you need at the beginning of your rockers. And none of these exercises need a lot of speed, so don't worry about speed in this moment. When you're starting off with rockers or any turns, you anyways want to go with very little to no speed. So now we're going to go back, but this time it's a little different. We're going to stretch our leg back behind us. Our arms and our shoulders are following our hips, and we're going really deep into that knee. It's a very quick movement as well. Try not to swing the leg behind, try to keep it still controlled, but it is going quickly back behind you because you want to go quickly into that standing knee, nice and deep. So a nice deep edge with your leg stretched behind you. And of course, if you have the time, think about that stretched leg, think about turning it out, keeping the knee stretched. Next exercise is a 3-turn, but really making a nice deep knee bend as you are turning. So we're not concentrating yet on how to get down the inside and outside. We just want to get that beginning nice and smooth. And what you want to do here is really to make sure that you're turning your shoulders now slightly into the circle as you are turning. And that's going to help you to really achieve that rocker and the clean edge. Now, the next exercise is the same thing, except we're going to exaggerate that knee bend. So we're going down into the knee, up, and then down into the knee. This is really going to help you. Still doing a nice 3-turn, so we're not doing a proper rocker yet, but this is going to help you to learn that knee bend, which is necessary for the rocker. Now you're ready and warmed up to try your rockers, making sure to do that nice knee bend, turning your shoulders as you are doing the turn, and trying to keep those clean edges forward and back. So I hope these tips and drills help you with your rockers, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!